Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make a background transparent in Canva. If you have Canva Pro, this is really easy. You can just go to the edit image and then go to the background remover, and Canva Pro will remove the background for you. If you want to try out Canva Pro for free, I have a link down in the description. If you are on the free version, you can download it and then go to a web page called remove.bg and upload the image by dragging it, and there you have it. And we can upload it to Canva again. That's how you make a background transparent in Canva. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a thumbs up. If you want to see more tutorials just like this, subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video.